The 1-minute binary options strategy is one of the most popular approaches among active traders, but it is also one of the most dangerous if it is traded without structure. This strategy is designed to remove randomness by combining trend direction with momentum confirmation. Because the 1-minute chart moves very fast, you must be extremely selective. You are not trading every candle. You are trading only when conditions align perfectly. This strategy uses two indicators. The first is an exponential moving average to define short-term direction. The second is the RSI indicator to confirm momentum and avoid overbought or oversold entries. The EMA used is the 50 exponential moving average. It acts as a dynamic trend filter. The RSI is set to 14 periods, with levels at 30 and 70. This strategy works best during high-volume market sessions, specifically the London and New York sessions. Avoid trading during low liquidity periods, especially late Asian session hours. On the 1-minute chart, the goal is not to catch large moves. The goal is to catch short bursts of momentum in the direction of the micro trend. For call options, price must be above the 50 EMA and the EMA must be sloping upward. This tells you that short-term momentum is bullish. You do not take call trades if price is below the EMA. Once price is above the EMA, you wait for a small pullback or pause. You then check the RSI. The RSI should be above 50 but below 70. If RSI is already above 70, the market is overextended and you stay out. Your entry comes only after a bullish candle closes in the direction of the trend. You enter the trade at the candle close, never in the middle of the candle. For put options, the rules are reversed. Price must be below the 50 EMA and the EMA must be sloping downward. RSI should be below 50 but above 30. If RSI is already below 30, the market is oversold and risk increases. You enter a put option only after a bearish candle closes below the EMA with RSI confirmation. Expiration timing is critical. On the 1-minute chart, the optimal expiration for this strategy is 2 minutes. 1-minute expiration is too aggressive and leads to random outcomes. 2 minutes allows momentum to play out. Never increase trade size after a loss. This strategy relies on probability over many trades, not recovery trading. Risk management is essential. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Because this is a fast strategy, losses can accumulate quickly if discipline is lost. A realistic win rate for this strategy is between 55 and 65% when traded only during strong market conditions and with strict rules. Overtrading will destroy the edge. Limit yourself to a maximum of 10 to 15 trades per session. More trades do not mean more profit. They usually mean more mistakes. This strategy is also very effective when combined with copy trading. If you are new or unsure about execution speed, copy trading allows you to automatically follow experienced traders who already trade short-term strategies. When using copy trading, always start with small allocations. Copy multiple traders, evaluate performance weekly, remove poor performers, and gradually increase allocation only to traders who show consistent results. The 1-minute strategy rewards discipline, patience, and focus. It punishes impatience and emotional decisions. Binary options success is not about trading fast. It is about trading smart, even on fast charts. Win rate, 55% to 65% time frame, 1 minute. Expiration, 2 minutes. Indicators, 50 EMA RSI 14. Trades per session, 10 to 15 max. Monthly expectation, disciplined, 5% to 12%. Main risk, overtrading and emotional entries. Fast strategies demand slow decision-making.